Happy Monday everybody and welcome back to a brand new episode of ICYMI. And today we are going to recap the news that you might have missed during the weekends. First up, we have stories about the GoPro Hero 9. Besides having a brand new front-facing color display, it seems like there are some features that you might get on this new action camera. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark II is also coming to Malaysia by the end of this year, but if you can't wait, here's a faster way you can get them. Remember we talked about the leaked information about the GoPro Hero 9 last week? Well, it seems like GoPro is about to launch this brand new action camera very soon. More details about this brand new action camera has been revealed by Leakster online, and there's a lot of things that we can learn about this brand new action camera. Aside from having a brand new front-facing color display, the Hero 9 appears to offer even greater video capabilities with upgraded specs. Based on a leaked image of the packaging, the GoPro Hero 9 Black is capable of shooting up to 5K videos at 30 frames per second. Like its predecessor, it could also record 4K 60 and 1080p in 240 frames per second. The Hero 9 Black supports 20 megapixel stills and live streaming at 1080p. Similar to the current Hero 8 Black, the camera itself is water resistant up to 10 meters. The biggest enhancement is HyperSmooth 3.0, which would provide even greater gimbal-like stabilization than the current HyperSmooth 2.0. In addition, there is also an updated Time Warp 3.0 time-lapse feature. At the moment, it isn't clear when the GoPro Hero 9 will be launched, but based on the amount of leaks that have surfaced, it could be any moment now. Sony Malaysia has recently confirmed that their Sony Xperia 1 Mark II is coming to Malaysia by November, which is still a long way to go. But if you can't wait, you can already purchase this device locally, and it is actually slightly cheaper than the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 5G. A retailer on Lazada is currently offering the Xperia 1 Mark II for 4,499 ringgit, but it will be offered for as low as 4,280 ringgit during the 99 Last Mall Big Brand Sale. The same device is also offered on Shopee for 4,399 ringgit. Take note that this is an import set and it comes with 1 year supplier warranty. The listing states that it runs on global roam and the device is shipped from overseas. The retailer is offering the device in 3 colors, that's black, purple and white. The Xperia 1 Mark II features a 4K OLED display and it runs on a Snapdragon 865 processor. The device features a 4000 mAh battery, and yes, it still comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack and a micro SD card expansion slot. Bad news for those who ride e-bike and e-scooters on a daily basis. It appears that you might soon need to register your vehicle as well as obtain a license to use this form of personal transport. Transport Minister Dato Sri Dr. Wee Ka Siong has revealed that his ministry will soon regulate the use of micro-mobility vehicles in Malaysia once the Road Transport Bill 2020 takes into effect. The bill has been passed in the lower house of parliament and it will be presented to the Senate later this month for approval. I think the reason for this is because e-scooters and e-bikes are not the same as bicycles. It is dangerous on the road and it is good to have some sort of regulations. The MCMC has issued a statement to clarify the status of the National Fiberization and Connectivity Plan. The recently announced JENDELA plan is said to be a revamp of the NFCP, and they will still prioritise the NFCP-1 project, especially in Sabah. Going back to Veveonah who is staying in Pitas, initially the MCMC said that a new tower will be erected at Kampung Bilangau Kecil, which is near her village. Now, a new 4G tower has been planned at her village in Kampung Sapatalang, and it is expected to be completed in the second quarter of 2021. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like this video if you liked it and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and also remember to click on the notification bell icon so you'll stay updated to our future videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one.